Welcome back. We're plunging into an abyss. Okay, that wasn't much of an abyss. It had things I don't care to deal with, though. I literally landed on top of him. Ah, I knew there was someone chasing me. Ah! Holy crap, we fell. That's a big robot.
Go on, boy.
I like how they just stop.
Skip.
Quit staggering me. I really hate stagger lock.
Win, get.
Nope, it just looks like it. Oh,
Why is it everywhere I go, you're there causing trouble? Me? Hey, you're the one with a bounty on your head. You don't even understand why, do you? Yeah, I've seen you cause enough damage to get the gist of it.
well, at least I didn't have to fight it. Or I do have to fight. No, I have to fight the other one.
I'll never give in to you humans. Ow!
I think I just skewered myself. Holy hell, this thing's a nightmare.
You'll never break our spirit. Get off our world. I'll put an end to your plans.
My plans? What plans?
Oh,
I'm literally just here to arrest you. Or whatever breakers do. I've already left that level. There we go. Just wait for the thing to get shattered. Wonder how many levels I have to go up. Or am I actually supposed to be damaging that thing? No, because it only sits on the side on the little bit at the ends. Oh dear. Well, I lived through that. Oh boy. We are technically going up. Who designed this hellhole? There's no more up. This can't be good.
I'll put an end to your plans.
I got nowhere else to go. What? I don't... Oh, if you're an enemy, you can sometimes use it to pull them back to you or remove... Oh, so I was supposed to be wrecking her day. I didn't know that. Now that I know that...
into your plans.
Damn it. This might take a few tries. Who's trying to break your spirit? I wasn't. Ah! Keep getting knocked off.
Put an end to your plans. You'll never break our spirit. Oh!
Well, I don't know which side she's going on yet. Basically, you just have to just wreck her as you go all the way up. Uh,
Quick! Give me your hand! It's bad enough you helped the Solas, but the Megassi as well? I'll die here before I take your help.
Megassi? No, I didn't help them. The Salgoon stole that trinket from me before
Trinket? Solas? The Solas are working for the Megassi, and you handed them the key to wiping out my people! Mother!
What? You're his...
Jin, get out of here! She's here to kill you! Kill all of us! Run! Run!
But the boar hunt, she saved us from it.
She retrieved the key for the Megassi. She's going to awaken the dark!
The Dark are here? Where?
I'll die before I tell you that.
No. The Dark wiped out my people, destroyed my homeworld, killed my family.
Well, you've doomed us to the same fate.
Sorry, I hit your mom, kiddo. But is she always that difficult?
Not always. Did the Dark really kill your family?
Yes.
Even your mother?
Yes. but I'm gonna make sure they don't hurt your mother or you. I'm going to stop the Darks this time.
Jen, is your mother okay? Did you get to her before Ballard?
No, he didn't, Sheriff Head. What are you doing in the middle of all this?
I'm supposed to be keeping the peace on this rock, not snooping around and stirring up trouble.
So, you used me instead.
Yep. I pointed you in the right direction.
So? Now what?
I'd lay low for a bit. The Magasi have been stepping up their search for Tara Lee and her group. You'll be safe at Itiralop for now.
Jin! Mother, you were wrong. She saved you. I guess I was mistaken. Thank you.
Huh. It ain't over yet.
To be continued in episode 2. Well, we have episode 2 technically, but we will, or at least I think I do. Or did they never make episode? I don't know. We'll find out. Anyway, screenshots. Oh. I don't have screenshots. Anyway, well, there you go. So, that was episode 1. I don't know if there's an episode 2. I'd have to look that up. If I don't make any more, well, then this was it. Do like, favorite, subscribe, socialize, and I hope to catch you to watching more videos. Thank you for watching.